Hello, I'd like to have a look at a question which is to do with a least squares regression line. Now here we have a formula for a least squares regression line, and we're dealing with Bitcoin and Ethereum in US dollars. When Bitcoin was worth $2,044, now when Bitcoin was worth $2,044, the residual was 2687. Now that means, if you understand what residual is, the residual is actual minus the predicted. Now that means the actual was 2687 above the predicted value. So if I come down 2687, I'll get the predicted value. However, if you want to, you can simply substitute the residual 2687 equals the actual minus the predicted, because remember, this is the predicted value, not the actual value. So we have to use the least square regression line for predicted values, not for actual values. And we want to find out what is the value of Ethereum at the time. What's the predicted value of Ethereum at the time when Bitcoin was worth 2,044? When Bitcoin was predicted to be 2044. Remember, this is not the plots. The actual plot would give us a different position on the graph, but the line of least square regression line goes through the actual plots. It doesn't go on each point. So we would then get the predicted will be 2044 come down 2687, and that brings it down to 2017-13. That's the value that you put in the formula here. So if you put 2017-13 equals negative 285.43 plus 1872 times the value of Ethereum, using that formula, take this over to be plus 2017-13 plus 285.43. You have to divide that answer by 18.72 to get our predicted value of Ethereum. So on the calculator, 2017.13 plus 285.13, get that answer, 2,302.26. Now divide that by 1872. Divide that by 1872. You get, did I make a mistake? You get 123, close enough to the nearest dollar. All right. So be careful. Don't go substituting that value in here, because they said the residual means that our actual value is 2687 above the predicted value. So you actually have to use 2017-13 in that formula to get the value of Ethereum. I hope this has helped.